Hey guys, it's Dr. Zelina. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel and watching this video. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about some holiday meal hacks. I know that we are in the holiday season now, and it is super important that we are optimizing our digestion so we are not left with gas, bloating from all this overeating. So I wanted to give you guys a couple of tips. These are all listed in a blog that I've posted, and I will be posting the link to the blog in the description, so please take a look at that if you feel like you need more information. But basically, these are the tips. Number one, plan ahead. That means that we know a big dinner's coming. Plan ahead. Maybe start out the day by drinking some hot water with lemon, or some water with the turmeric tonic that I love, which has apple cider vinegar, ginger, turmeric, lemon, and Himalayan pink salt. A pinch of everything, and the juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and some warm water. Drink that first thing in the morning. Drink that 3 times a day, the day of the big meal. Drink that prior to your meals, and it helps to really optimize your digestion. On top of that, this drink also helps with detoxifying so many different internal organs. So it's great for optimizing your health and your digestion. Secondly, plan of attack. During the meal, you want to eat strategically to avoid digestive upset. So if you're going to be eating fruit at any time, I suggest that you eat it 30 minutes prior to your meal, and then wait before eating. Also, during your meal, eat your protein and your carbs first, then do your veggies. And if you're by any chance having any type of soup, have that first, because the salty, sodium-rich broth will help with creating and enhancing those digestive juices that you need to digest your food optimally. Okay, super, super important while you're eating, chew your food thoroughly. Chew it, chew it, chew it, chew it, chew it until you can't chew anymore before you swallow it. The digestive process begins in the mouth. It begins when you start chewing. So this piece is often overlooked, but it can really enhance your digestion so that your internal organs don't have to process as much, and you are kind of relieving some of their work by doing it in your mouth while you're chewing and you're masticating your food. So chew your food thoroughly. This helps also to prevent things like acid reflux and esophageal disorders, digestive upset. So please chew your food thoroughly. Can't say this enough. Okay, next thing, avoid cold drinks and cold foods like ice cream for that matter. Cold drinks tends to stagnate the digestive flow, especially if you're having it right after your meal. So no ice. Try to drink something warm instead. Warm ginger tea is great. Any type of warm tea obviously is going to be helpful, but the best for digestion is ginger, rose hips, lavender, chamomile, basil, sage, any of those, peppermint. Any of those herbal teas are really helpful for optimizing the digestive flow. Okay, next thing, super important, do not lay down for at least an hour after you eat. Longer if possible. If you lay down, your body, instead of being upright, is going to be this way, and it's going to make it harder for you to digest your food, and this can contribute to acid reflux and other esophageal disorders. So don't lay down after you eat. I know it sounds tempting. If you've overeaten, you're feeling tired, don't do it. Okay? And you know, if you tried all of these things and they didn't work, and you're still feeling bloated, you're still feeling gas, you're feeling overstuffed, damage control. This is what you can do. Move, take a walk, even if it's just around your house. You know, get your nieces and nephews to play along with you, play hide and go seek. I don't know, whatever, just move and walk around in your house. That's gonna help get the digestive flow going, helps increase peristalsis, which is the muscle waves that happen in the intestines. So take a walk. The other thing, you can use a heat pad on the belly. If you don't have a heat pad, you can get a hot water bottle, put it in a water bottle, and that helps to really ease the discomfort and kind of get that flow moving a little bit more. Rub your belly in a circular motion, clockwise. That helps to also increase the flow. You only want to do counterclockwise if you have diarrhea, but always clockwise because that is the flow of the digestion. Lastly, if you need an Ayurvedic remedy, this is a really good recipe. Boil some water, add a pinch of cumin powder, ginger, and turmeric. Dried ginger powder. Let it steep for 5 minutes and then sip that. That should really help ease the bloating and help ease any digestive discomfort. If you have any digestive symptoms that don't resolve, you may have an underlying health condition, and so it is important to seek a licensed healthcare professional, naturopath, an acupuncturist, functional medicine doctor. Any of these healthcare professionals can help you. Obviously, I am available as well. If you have any questions, concerns, you can leave them in the comments. You can send me an email. I do respond personally. If you want to set up a discovery session, I am available for that as well. Thank you guys again so much for watching.